Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bypass the ChatGPT filter that is implemented on their platform. Since ChatGPT is really popular right now and they have a ton of filters inside of it, which sucks because you can't really do anything with it, that's why I decided to make this video today. But before we get into today's YouTube tutorial, huge thank you to my YouTube members. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels and let's just get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, join this Discord server. The link will be in the description below. So basically in this server, just first read the rules, then basically go to prompt, and then this prompt here, you want to highlight it, do Control-C, then go to ChatGPT bypassing, do /chat, then type your prompt you want to do. You can do anything you want since it will be unblocked, but I'm not going to show that in this video. I'm just going to do something normal. Write me a story on how you like IrwinTech. Then after your prompt, click space, then paste the prompt from the read channel over here, hit enter. Then on the model here, click Dan GPT 3.5, then hit enter. Now you wait. Then at the bottom here, your prompts will be put out, and I just asked it to write a simple story on how it likes IrwinTech, but since it's uncensored, you can literally do whatever you want, and I mean whatever. I can't show it in this video, but just join the Discord to try it out. And then if you want to connect with the members in here, go to off topic and you can talk with each other. And if you want to add more bypassing prompts, go in this channel and add more, because prompts like these often get blocked. There's also VCs where you can talk with people if you like. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. The invite link will be in the description below, and it's as easy as this. Now enjoy bypassing ChatGPT filter. Enjoy. Thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and you'll have a chance of being featured in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.